Hello, my fearless speakers. Myself Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. You reached day 14. That means fear no longer controls you. Today, grammar stop controlling your mouth. આજે ગ્રામર બોસ નથી, તમે બોસ છો. Let me share a big truth. Grammar is guide, not a judge. Grammar rules છે, પોલીસ નહીં. You don't fail because of grammar. You fail because of silence. Here are 3 reasons why grammar fear stops you. Reason number 1. School conditioning. સ્કૂલમાં ગ્રામર કરાવે છે. Reason number 2. Correction fear. કોઈ કરેક્શન કરશે તો. Reason number 3. Overthinking tense. ટેન્સ તો કરવા જ પડશે. But remember, communication is more important than correction. Now, confidence speak formula. Meaning first, grammar later. Meaning પહેલા, grammar પછી. Let's understand with an example. I didn't go yesterday because yesterday not go, busy. Remember, broken English still work. Grammar free speaking practice, structure practice. Subject plus verb plus object. Examples. I work here. She helps me. We go now. Now practical speaking practice. Speak without correction. Example. Today I wake up late. I miss bus. I feel little stress, but I manage. Flow તોડશો નહીં. Fluent people don't think about grammar. They think about ideas. Ideas important છે, tenses નહીં. Confidence first, correction later. From today, grammar will not stop your voice. You are allowed to speak. English બોલવાની પરમિશન તમને છે. I will speak without grammar fear. Fearless English start now. Write in comment no grammar fear. We will meet tomorrow on day 15 where we learn how to speak naturally like a habit. Thank you so much giving your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.